kind of like when you're trying to teach a dog some tricks. When the dog do good, you want to reward him with a snack, right? If you give your nigga the snack already, he not gonna learn anything. He not gonna work for nothing.
Shorty a little baddie, she my little boy.
Shorty got the fatty.
Hey, bitch, I'm a problem, nobody solving. You can keep hating, I'm popping regardless.
Hey sweetie, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna have a lit discussion and drink a little bit, okay? So I'm drinking some tequila rose and I'm gonna pour it in my glass and then we're gonna start talking, okay? All right, so basically today is gonna be a girl talk. Basically this girl talk is gonna be how to get him to spend that coin, okay? It literally looks like strawberry milk and it's so good. I love me some tequila rose. It's so good. If you haven't tried it, try it, bitch. It's good. So like I said, this girl talk is going to be how to get him to spend that coin, how to get him to spoil you, you know, how to get flued out, you know, all that stuff that the city girls be talking about. This pussy top euros, diamonds, this pussy top Spain, Europe, and France. This pussy top, period. Your pussy needs to talk expensive shit, basically, you know? All right, so I got some tips for y'all. Hopefully I don't get drunk and forget, but let's get into this first tip. All right, the first thing you need to do to get a man to spoil you, honey, is appearance. You gotta look like some type of money, okay? I'm not talking about flashy. You don't have to be flashy, but you wanna look like you got your own. You feel me? Like, look good, smell good, okay? Keep yourself up, basically. You can't expect a nigga to spend some money on you and you looking bummy, okay? I'm not trying to sound rude or nothing like that, but baby, I'm gonna keep it real with y'all, okay? You can't look bummy and expect a nigga to spend that bag on you. It's just not gonna happen, okay? If you want a Chanel bag, you gotta look like you could buy your own Chanel bag. Like, you just asking him to buy it just because. You feel what I'm saying? But you shouldn't even have to ask him to do anything, really, when you think about it. He should. And of course, smell good. Smell good at all times. Keep your nails done. Just look. You gotta look the part, okay? If you want him to spoil you, you gotta come off as if you already spoiled, okay? Period. I know I said you need to look like money, but I don't literally mean you need to look like money just to impress somebody or get somebody's attention. I'm just saying, honey, keep yourself up. If you're gonna come at a dude like, oh, you gotta do this for me, you gotta do that for me, sweetie, you gotta already look like you could do it yourself. You feel me? Period. We got that out the way. Make sure you look good, smell good, and you just keeping yourself up, honey. Nails done, toes done. My nails not done right now. Ignore it. I just took them off today because they need to get a break. But anyways, let's move on to my next tip. So my next tip, what is my next tip? Bitch, am I already drunk? I'm not drunk already. I just can't. I should have wrote this down. Oh, my next tip is loyalty. Now I know you thinking like, girl, loyalty, what the hell you talking about? Okay, y'all, when you want a dude to do anything you want him to do, you need to make him feel like, for one, he is the only one. So give him your time. Don't try to act all bougie and stank and expect a nigga to do stuff for you. Listen, y'all, dudes not dumb. Like, niggas are dumb, but they not dumb. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can't expect a nigga to do stuff for you. I need to stop saying nigga. Let me just say dude, because I don't know, whatever. You can't expect a dude to like want to do stuff for you, but you treating him like trash. It's just not gonna work. Should I turn this ring light up a little bit? Boom. Okay, period. You can't expect a dude to do stuff for you and you treating him like trash. Sweetie, you need to make him feel like he is the only one. You need to make him feel like, okay, I will drop anything for you to see you. If he say, baby, I want to see you, stop doing everything you're doing and go see him, okay? Don't, like I said, don't make him feel like, how do I want to put it? Because I'm not saying kiss his ass. I'm not saying do anything and everything he tell you to do just to get some money from him. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying, like, it's kind of dumb when you think about it. Like, okay, if you're gonna treat a nigga like trash, how do you expect him to treat you like treasure? Like, dudes love loyalty, okay? They love it. They love to feel like they're the only one. They love to feel like if they ask you to do anything, you'll do it. Not in a sense of, I'm not saying be his pet, bitch. I'm not saying be his little puppy, but I'm saying make him feel like, even if he's not the only one, make him feel like he's the only one, and make him feel like you give him all of your time at any time. You know what I'm saying? Because then he's gonna be like, you know what, let me spend this coin, honey, because she give me all her time, so let me get her all of my money. Okay, period. And also, you want to listen to him. Like, if he got any problems, you know what I'm saying, he want to talk to you about his past, listen to him. Make him feel like, oh my gosh, she's so easy to talk to, I can talk to her about anything. Just really get up in his head, honey. Get up in his head, period. Because he will spend that coin no matter what, if he feels like, you know, he really got a real one, like, period. Niggas love real ones. Make that nigga feel like he a king, period. Make him feel like he a king, and he'll treat you like a queen, period. I know y'all probably listen to the city girls, and the city girls make it sound easy. Like, the city girls make it sound like, nigga, give me money or don't talk to me. But in reality, it's not really like that. Like, when you think about it, if you go up to a nigga, I don't care how good you look, okay? I don't care how much money he got. No dude is gonna be dumb enough to say, oh, I'll give you all my money, even though, like, no dude is just gonna give you all his money with you talking to him like, oh, give me your money or I'm not talking to you, on to the next. He gonna be like, okay, on to the next thing, go to the next nigga. And then he gonna spend his money on another girl that's treating him better. You feel what I'm saying? So, like, the city girls is cool and all, but baby, that's not really how it works in real life. So, yeah. Loyalty is important, believe it or not. And hopefully, okay, because the tips I'm giving is for people who's like actually into the person that they want to get money from. I don't know if you're really into the person that you want to get money from, but it'd be easier, honestly, in my opinion, it'd be easier to get like money from a dude that you actually like. If you don't really like this dude and you just want his money, I don't know what to tell you, because at that point, I guess that's just a sugar daddy. But like, if you want money from a dude who you don't even like that, it's gonna be like harder, because you're gonna have to pretend a lot of stuff and just act like you like him, and it's just gonna be like it's kind of like having a sugar daddy. Like, my next tip is don't give it up quick. Sweetie, do not have sex with him, period. Don't do it. Please don't do it. Just because you want his money or you see a rich nigga, do not have sex with him, because at the end of the day, sweetie, if you give it up, he's not gonna have to work for nothing, and he's gonna be like, shit, I had sex with her already, so what I'm giving her money for? I already got it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. Okay. It's kind of like when you're trying to teach a dog some tricks. You know how when you teach a dog some tricks and you wanna when the dog do good, you wanna reward him with a snack, right? If you give your nigga the snack already, he not gonna learn anything. He not gonna work for nothing. He gonna be spoiled. Don't spoil. If you give him the kitty cat early, he's not gonna really want to work for nothing. He gonna be like, I got it already. I already know what it's like. I already know what she hitting on. So, you feel me? He gonna feel like he don't have to work. He gonna get lazy. Listen, honey, you gotta be stingy with that kitty cat. Let me skip it. If you know that Nicki Minaj song, then you know. But if you don't know it, then I probably just got it. So dumb. But anyways, so yeah, don't give up the kitty cat, okay? Now, my next tip is, what is my next tip? Bitch, I got a horrible memory. Talk game. Okay, so my next tip is talk game. You gotta know how to talk. You gotta know how to use this mouth, honey. And I'm not talking about in that way. I'm talking about talking. You gotta know how to talk your and make him feel so good. Listen, words are powerful. Words are powerful, believe it or not, honey. Words are powerful. So like, calling him stuff like Zaddy and Poppy and Zaddy and Poppy, you know, make a nigga feel real good. Period. Like, every dude loves that. Every dude loves to be called daddy. Loves to be called Poppy. Like, it's just, I don't know. I don't know. I learned that over time, honey. I'm 25. Girl, I just turned 25 2 days ago, and I just think I'm so proud. But over time, I've dealt with a couple dudes, and they all just love being called daddy, like, period. So use that talk game, honey, to get what you want, period. You don't have to open your legs up to get what you want, honey. You can use this. This talk game is something serious, okay? Words have power, okay, period. Okay, if you use my tips, you'll be able to get all his money without even him seeing the kitty cat. You won't even have to give it up, okay, period. Let him listen. Okay, talk your good shit to him. So I got one more tip for y'all, and oh my gosh, I feel like this video is so quick. Okay, so my last tip is to pay. Oh bitch, oh no, this is not my last tip. This is my, okay, all right. So I got two more tips for y'all, actually. So my next tip is to look like, you have to have your own. You have to have your own. And like I said, if y'all listen to all these new songs that's talking about like, only effing with a dude if he got money, blah, 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 blah. They're not telling you that, you know, have your own. Like, that's why I love Megan Thee Stallion, because she says, baby, I want to spend your money, but I got my own too, period. You gotta have your own. Please don't depend on no dude to give you everything that you want if you can't get it for yourself. Like, don't tell a dude, ooh, get me this Chanel bag, but you can't buy it yourself. Because what if he say, okay, I can't buy it, I'm not gonna buy it, and then you be like, okay, F you, but like, you still can't get it. Like, how you gonna feel? Make sure you have your own. Before you go out and decide to have this mentality of, oh, I can't F with a dude unless he can do this, that, and the third, make sure you can do it yourself. Okay, because it's like, it's kind of crazy if you feel like, oh, I'm not gonna deal with a dude unless he has a Benz or what the fuck? I'm sorry, I'm a little tipsy. It's kind of dumb to have the mentality of, oh, I'm not gonna F with a dude unless he got a mansion or a Benz, but like, you don't have a mansion or a Benz. And it's kind of dumb if you be like, oh, I'm not gonna F with this dude unless he could buy me a Birkin bag, but like, you can't buy yourself a Birkin bag. Like, what was the point, sis? Like, don't try to, I mean, just don't try to fit into these songs. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know all these songs is saying, bitch, I can't fuck with him unless he could buy me a Birkin or Chanel or Gucci slides or a mansion or a Benz or Mercedes. Like, I know a lot of songs are saying that type of stuff, but sweetie, you don't have to live like that. You don't really have to live like that. You can definitely get it yourself and be a boss. Because I'm all about being a boss, okay? Being a boss, independent woman, okay? You don't need a man to buy you things. Buy it yourself, okay? Period. You want to get flew out to Dubai? Buy your own ticket, okay? Period. My last tip, I know y'all gonna be like, girl, what the fuck? But like, my last tip is, when y'all go on dates and stuff, offer to pay sometimes. I know you saying, girl, what? I want him to spoil me. I want him to spend all his money on me. I understand that, sweetie. But this kind of goes into having your own. If you offer to pay sometimes, he gonna be like, ooh, I got me a boss bitch. I got me a boss lady, okay? And he gonna really feel that. And he gonna be like, okay, she offering to pay. Like, that's lit. Like, that's lit. Like, honestly, y'all, that'll say a lot to a dude. I know society makes you think that a dude's supposed to pay for every single date, but that's really not the case. Like, I personally like to go half on everything with my husband. And like, you know, you pay sometimes, I pay sometimes. Like, that's just what it is. And it was even like that. Well, it wasn't really like that when we met. But when you meet a dude, it'll just say a lot to him if you be like, I got it, let me pay. Now, don't do it if, like, I'm not saying do it every time, because sweetie, if you gotta pay every time, you don't need to talk to him. You don't need to talk to him. But I'm just saying, like, sometimes. And you know what? Honestly, you should offer to pay, but wait till he pull out his wallet. Wait till he pull out his wallet and you be like, I got it. Because you see that he was about to pay anyway. Now, if you about to, bitch, I'm so sorry. I cannot talk. I'm a little drunk. Girl, just offer to pay sometimes, okay? It's gonna say a lot to him, and it's probably gonna mean a lot to him too, because he's gonna be like, okay, she's not a gold digger. Because the key to, I don't know if your intention is to be a gold digger, but like, honestly, the key to being a gold digger is not coming off as a gold digger. If you come off as a gold digger and it's so obvious, a nigga not gonna F with you. But if you show him a little something different, but y'all get what I'm saying, okay? If you're gonna be a gold digger, honey, but try not to show that you're a gold digger. Like, don't. Okay, listen, I'm gonna end this video because I'm a little too tipsy. And yeah, I hope these tips helped y'all out. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos like these, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, sweetie.